Hello and welcome to Sign and Shine with Sarah. I thought I would sign another poem for you today. I remember this one from my childhood. It's called The Embarrassing Experience with a Parrot by Pam S. Here we go. It was at the Cotswold Wildlife Park in the merry month of May when I paid the man the money and went in to spend the day. Straightway to the pet's corner did I turn my eager feet to go and see the rabbits and give them something to eat. As I approached the hutches, I was alarmed to see a crowd of little yobbos Ollerin with glee. I crept up close behind them and weighed the scene up quick and saw them poke the rabbits. Poke them with a stick. "Get off, you little buggers," I shouted in their ear. "Don't you poke them rabbits. That's not why they're here." I must have really scared them. In seconds they were gone, and feeling I had done some good, I carried on along, till up beside the parrot's cage I stood to view the scene. Oh, they was lovely parrots, beautiful blue and green. In and out the nest box, they was really having fun, squawking out and flying about, all except for one. One poor old puffed up parrot clung grimly to his perch, and as the wind blew forwards, backwards he would lurch, 1 foot up in his feathers, abandoned by the rest. He sat there plainly dying, his head upon his chest. Well, I walked on down the pathway and I stroked the nanny goat, but the thought of parrots dying brought a lump into my throat. I could no longer stand it, and to the office I fled. Politely I began, "Excuse me, your parrot's nearly dead." So me and the curator, in urgent leaps and bounds, with the bottle of parrot cure, leapt across the grounds. The dust flew up around us as we reached the parrot's pen. The curator, he turned to me and said, "Which one is it then?" You know what I'm going to say. He wasn't there at all. At least, not where I had left him. No, he flipped from wall to wall. As brightly as a button did he squawk and jump and leap. The curator was very kind, saying, "I expect he was asleep." But I was humiliated as I stood before the wire. The curator went back to put his feet up by the fire. So I let the parrot settle, and after a short search, I found the stick the yobbos had and poked him off his perch. Thanks. Bye-bye.